Hi friends, welcome to Stock Talks. Thank you for watching my videos and supporting. So I would like to request if you could subscribe and watch. So because I can see 50% people are not subscribed and watching. So if you could subscribe, then it would give us a motivation to do more you know uh, interesting videos as well as informative videos. Okay, so please click on the bell icon also to get the notifications. So then we'll start from today what happened and what could be happen for the next month in terms of Nifty, Bank Nifty and few stocks. So today we'll see how Nifty has done for the day. So Nifty today it's almost doji, means indecisive. So, but I can say it's kind of hammer, but it's not a hammer, but it's a doji, I would say. But still, it's maintained its level on the top side. It couldn't still break the the this week's or low. Okay, let us see where the support, for example, for Nifty for the upcoming weeks. So I would say the support in the daily time frame, we can see that support is around you know you can consider this as a support as I would say 24,626. Okay, and then the next support is 24,474. Then the next support is around, so it would be, I would say, this one, 23,927. So I'm drawing here because there's a technical. Okay, this is because of technical thing which I'm drawing, so it's not because of something so I have to draw. So there is a reason behind this, so I can explain you in the the weekend. I will make some videos on on the technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis. So in that video I can tell you so why we have to see this as a particular level as a support. Okay, so where we have the the resistance. So I would say on the daily frame we can consider this as the resistance, and the next is tested, but still then we can consider the this one's as the resistance. So then where is the next resistance on the daily time frame? You can consider this as the the next this one. What is the next resistance? So you can mark this, and this could be holds good for, I would say, at least for next couple of weeks. So also the trend is still bullish. I would say it's not turned as bearish or something. Still it's bullish. You can see it's formed higher low, higher low, higher. So higher kind of structure. So when it is falling and when it's going up, so it's still consolidating at the higher levels. So I would say still it's bullish. So tomorrow it's a first day and the new day of the next month. So basically, so we can see some kind of boost in terms of the upside from in terms of Nifty. So those who want to take futures, you can consider, I think, 26,000 for your reference as the futures, so that I think you could make some good amount in terms of futures. So because if there's a gamma blast or something like that, so then definitely it would be boost your premiums faster. Okay, so this is about Nifty, and I don't want to mention again that the price action. So always try to see how the price action is happening at the resistance and the support level. So why? Because so that would give you a clear picture how to take the call. So today it was almost flat and it was nothing was happening. At the end there was a the spike. So because of they have written all the premium and the sellers, so then might be it has one side of the they have exited from their position, so it got a spike in all the indexes what we saw today. So this is about for Nifty. So then we'll go for Bank Nifty. So as I clearly mentioned in my previous videos, it's still consolidating at the higher zones, means like at the higher level. Still I can just mark a rectangle for it. So just to show you. So still it's in this zone. So last time also I mentioned. So try to see whether when it breaks. So definitely it could give a blast from there. So then it will be helpful for Nifty and other index also, so that it give you a lot of boost for market. So in terms of Bank Nifty, so try to see that. So I would say this you can consider it as a consolidation zone. So as of now, so I don't want to so make like so some kind of resistance or support, but it's consolidation zone, I would say. So but you can expect, I would say, the higher zone as your resistance, and then from there you can fetch your the calls. Okay. So this is more about Bank Nifty. So let's see a stock which is coming for for the next month as a new stock for F&O, basically Mazagon. So very good stock in terms of long-term perspective. So I hope who have bought this stock few months back, so they got like so 1:2 in terms of ratio, the split it. And what we can see, this is very bullish. So in terms of the view, so for example, if I just see this, so zone of after this, it's just going up and up, and there is no so kind of for example, if you see, it's like basically it's showing clearly the the major kind of, for example, cup and handle. So it's just going, and it's also very bullish. Okay. So it's coming into F&O, what you can easily consider for your upcoming F&O, for example, stock options in terms of this one. But long term, it's very good. So in terms of support and resistance, I'll just try to mark the supports if you are taking for so upcoming month. So and there is no resistance for this because it's at all-time high. You can consider this as a resistance in your case. So if when you are taking it, so these are the major supports, for example 3287 and 2946. So the supports, so also we have the supports here also. I can just mark it here. So then this one. So there are a lot of supports here in terms of on the daily basis. So it's very good stock for the long term, as well as for it's coming for F&O. You can consider this for the upcoming month for the stock option, which can give you good returns in terms of so stock options. Okay. Those who have not still registered to our Telegram channel, please subscribe it, so that you will get an update from my side on terms of view, what is my view on daily basis or something, and also on the stocks which I feel like which can be covered for your intraday, as well as for for kind of swing trade. I will give in the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and click on bell icon. This is my more analysis for today. So as there was no much change in terms of index, I don't want to much give GAN session here. So we will see if there is any breakout or if there is a major breakdown. So then we'll try to analyze like what happened or what is the issue, or why it is if there is a breakout, then we definitely know that it was consolidated for long term. Definitely there is a breakout should happen in Bank Nifty, and also it will go boost our Nifty 50. Okay. So thank you for watching. Again, I'm repeating, please do subscribe and click on bell icon. Please post your comments, so that is very important for us in terms of developing ourselves in terms of analyzing. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.